In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a 90% discount with Adobe Illustrator, or 89.25% to be exact. This discount works no matter if you're new to Adobe or already an existing user, so even if you've used Illustrator in the past, you'll still be eligible for the following offer. So without wasting any more time, what you need to do to get the discount is head to a website called TopCashback, and you can find the link below in the description. TopCashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website that provides cashback discounts on all sorts of online shopping. Plenty of general things you can buy online are listed here, such as flights, hotels, fashion, and of course Adobe products. Now there are two versions to Top Cashback which you can use to activate this offer. So you have the UK version, which uses the British pound, and you also have the American version, which uses USD. If you aren't from the UK or North America, however, you should be good to use either version of the site, so I'll leave links for both below. But once you've clicked the link below, you should come across a landing page which looks similar to this. So from here, you just want to go ahead and sign up. It is also worth mentioning, for using my link in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £10 sign-up bonus as well. So click the link below, and once you've done that, we can then go through step by step on how to claim your Illustrator discount. But once you've signed up, you should come across the home dashboard, which looks similar to this. So from here, because we want Adobe, we'll just go ahead and search for it at the top. This should then pull you through to this page here, where you can then go ahead and click on the Adobe listing. So the way this works is Adobe through Top Cashback will pay you back 89.25% of your subscription right back to you after purchasing through their Top Cashback link. So if you scroll down here, you can see that Adobe will pay you back 89.25% on any monthly subscription purchases, and that also includes Illustrator. So this basically means that once you pay your Adobe subscription through Top Cashback, you'll be able to get almost 90% of your money back for the first month. So it's certainly something worth doing. And to my knowledge as well, this isn't just a one-time offer either. So any purchases you make with Adobe within the Creative Cloud can be done using this method, including resubscribing to Illustrator if you were to ever unsubscribe at any time. So to activate this offer, you'll just want to go ahead and click on the red button that says get up to £75 cashback. And then from here, it will pull you through to the Adobe website, where you'll then just want to go ahead and find the Adobe package that you want to purchase. Obviously, in this case, it will be Illustrator. It's also worth mentioning as well, you can usually opt in for a free trial too, and it shouldn't have any effect on the cashback deal. So you should get your cashback either way, whether or not if you go for the free trial or not. So to receive the 89% discount, you'll want to select the monthly option at the bottom highlighted here. So to get your cashback, you'll just want to go ahead, click on continue, fill out your details, and just make the purchase like normal. But just a very important disclaimer, you need to make sure that the purchase is made through the same tab that Top Cashback opens up, as that's how they link the sale to your account, which in turn is how you get your cashback. But once you've purchased your Illustrator subscription, you should then be pulled through to your Adobe account, where you can then go ahead and download the software. In regards to your cashback, you should receive an email from Top Cashback within 5 to 10 minutes, similar to this, to confirm that your sale has been tracked and is now eligible for cashback. Then once you've received the email, you can then jump back into your Top Cashback account, and then you should be able to see a pending amount in your account from Adobe that's similar to this, with how much cashback you're due to be paid back, and it's as simple as that. But overall, that is pretty much it. It can take a few weeks for it to be paid out, but if you keep an eye on your Top Cashback account, you should be notified on when you are able to receive the payout on it. But Adobe is usually quite rapid to pay you back cashback, usually within 2 to 3 weeks max. Otherwise, if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions about anything, feel free to comment below and I'll try to assist you. And thanks again for watching.